LinkedIn groups can be a useful resource for getting to know people around your area of expertise. I'll show you how you can use some of the features in this video. Here we go. So to access groups, you need to go to your work menu and then select groups from the menu options there. Now, you may not have joined any groups, but in this case I've got some shown here. One that I'm the owner of the group, others that I'm a member of, and then one that I'm a manager of. So we go through to a group. So I've created one around my social media training, and you can see when it was founded, how many people are involved. You can see the profiles of each of the people. So that's a useful thing. Once they're a member of the group, you can see more about them. There's ways suggested here, 3 suggestions. Is it associated with an industry, a location, and go and share the group. So you can just post out to the feed and let them know it's happening. You can share video content, you can share photographs, you can share documents into the group, and we've got certain articles, so that's all the articles, then recommended, the ones that you can specify they should look at. The alarm bell there lets you know what kind of notifications you want, so you can get all the new posts, any highlights, or just switch that off. And let's go to edit. Well, first we'll go to manage group. If we have any requests to join, they would appear here, and you can review those. You can see who the admins of the group are. You can obviously have multiple admins. Anybody who's been invited. And if you want to resend them again, you can simply... So if you want to remove them, not resend, you can rescind those membership invites. And we go back now. As it says, it doesn't require approval at the moment, so you need to edit the group settings so that instead of anyone just randomly posting, you can specify require new posts to be reviewed by admins, and also you can determine whether they're allowed to invite their friends to the group or not. It depends on the level of trust you have with the group and whether it's a public group, listed or unlisted. So those are just some of the features available with groups in LinkedIn in 2020. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.